And I've got my materials. Take a look at that. And let's add those materials inside of here. So I've got additive materials, I've got the nonlinear, I've got material library in here. I can say, okay, let's make this out of like aluminum. Just drag and drop it up there. I want to make it out of stainless steel. Yep, go ahead and drag it up in there. And then those materials are what can be generated out and created without the outcomes depending on the material and also the manufacturing method that we had set up inside. Then at that point, what we can do after we've set up all this information here in the very beginning up to that panel, we can then do a pre-check on this. So a pre-check means that it has all the information needed inside of that. But we also have this previewer too, and the previewer will allow you to preview kind of what generative design is going to do. This is a free option to be able to preview this. It's not going to be as refined as what we get from actually generating the outcome and seeing the finished outcomes there. But it's going to be doing this. It's a local simulation. It's generating all local here. It's going to take those preserves and the obstacle geometry and show a preview of what it kind of thinks it's going to do in the very beginning. It's really, really rough.